Follow along with Country Sampler as we craft these cute bandana flowers seen on our summer 2025 cover. For each flower, you'll need a bandana, a wood skewer or green plant stake, a hole punch or drill, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, a ruler, a canning jar ring and lid, burlap gingham or other fabric, fiberfill, spray starch, and an iron. Stain or paint the wood skewer and let it dry. Punch a hole through the side of the canning jar ring with a hole punch or a drill with a small bit. Fold the bandana in half. Measure and mark 1-inch sections. Cut both layers of the bandana at the same time into 1-inch strips. Tie the strips onto the canning jar ring, covering the metal for the most part, but leaving space around the punched hole. Unfold the strips for a larger flower, or keep them doubled for a smaller one. Cut 2 circles of fabric, one that matches the diameter of the canning jar lid and the other about 2 inches larger. Working from the back, place the largest circle in the flower's open center and press fiberfill against it. Insert the lid to hold the fiberfill in place. Slip the skewer into the hole and secure it with glue. Let it dry. Glue down the excess fabric, then glue the smaller circle on top to finish the back. Position the flower on an ironing board or other heat-proof surface. Saturate the petals with spray starch and iron straight out from the center. Repeat this step until the bandana strips are standing up well. Let it dry. All done! Be sure to tag us on social media if you make and post these adorable bandana flowers.